formidable level, which we have tested a few times, but have so far refused to break. Now, the effects from Turkey is a long way off, and I'm not expecting any concrete direct impacts on India or even Asia as a result of this. But it's still the negative sentiment that is percolating that's causing the rupee to weaken. I think at this stage, I still expect that key 69 level to hold. I think partly also the RBI might continue to intervene to cap weakness at around those levels. But the key uncertainty, of course, is how markets broadly and sentiment broadly continue to trade in the week ahead. If we see further euro weakness, for example, if the DXY continues to break higher, then at some point, I think even that 69 level on rupee will not hold and probably will have to give way.
And your base case on the dollar index, do you see it strengthening from here on? What would be your 3-month target on that?
At this point, we are expecting the euro to strengthen mainly because we believe that the economic conditions in the eurozone actually are starting to improve. But of course, what's happening here right now and the concerns about the potential spillover from Turkey is something that is new and unexpected. So at this stage, I think we still need quite a lot of clarity before making any firm predictions about the path of the euro. Suffice to say, at this point in time, sentiment is negative. I think the risk for further weakness in the euro near term certainly is very real.
Okay, we'll leave it at that. Thank you very much for joining in. So this is an evolving situation, but as of now, at least, Kungo does not see a contagion, but monitor the situation closely. The concern is that the European banks have significant exposure to Turkey, and because of the weakness in the currency in Turkey, the lira, as well as the fact that inflation cannot be contained by the banks over there, that could put pressure on the European banks and therefore the euro, which could push up the dollar.